Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share instant pakora recipe, and this is street style crispy pakora. So as you can see that this is very beautiful delicious pakori. So yeah, let's get started and take a look with the recipe. So for this I'm taking a pan, and in this I'm taking gram flour. Take as much as gram flour you want. And in this, for crispiness, I am adding a secret ingredient, which is rice flour. And for spices, I am adding green chili, and you can add red chili powder if you want. Salt as per your taste. And after that, the main spices, that is garam masala, pinch of garam masala, pinch of turmeric powder, and this is it. And if you want more spices, so you can add sabji masala at last if you want. So I am adding sabji masala here. Now this is done. And the very last but not the least is the soda powder, so that it becomes crispy and fluffy too. Now add some water and make a fine paste. Make sure there are no lumps in the flour. I'm adding small portion of water so that there are no lumps. After that, I'm adding more water to it. Now make a fine paste out of it, and you can keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. But if you want make immediately, you can do that. Now this is the consistency of the paste. As you can see that there are no lumps in my paste. So this is done, and I'm keeping it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. In the time I'm chopped the vegetables, and these are the vegetables which I'm going to use: potato, bottle gourd, cauliflower and capsicum. Now take a oil in a pan, dip the chopped vegetable into the paste, and just deep fry it. Make sure the flame is high to medium flame, because if you make it at low flame, then the pakoras will soak the oil from the pan. So make sure that the flame is high to medium flame. Now flip the pakoras in between. And wait till it becomes little golden brown. Now you can see that the pakoras are very crispy. Now this is done. take out the pakoras in any tissue paper so that it can soak the extra oil which are left in the pakoras. Now our delicious pakoras are ready and ready to eat. You can serve it with any sauce, either it is sweet or sour sauce. So if you like the recipe, press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel for more updates.